Greetings from Berlin. It's Andrea here. Got back from holiday. Unfortunately, my voice is not the best because I caught a cold on the way back from the air conditioning. Therefore, long story short, I would keep it concise. And we see that what happens in the market is quite interesting. This is the works of Uranus that will become retrograde on the 29th of August, and we already feel it because at least 2 weeks before it is in a stationary period that is really to be seen on the prices, and we saw the effect. Now, this week, I refer to the week from the 21st until the 27th. BTC is all over the place. This is something that you can see from my calendar as well. It's up and down, up and down. But the problem is, and the question is, how much up, how much down? And since Uranus is so strong, the price moves can be pretty high. You see in the calendar red moon crescents, which means decreases during the day, and a green number. So it's quite confusing because the day at day level shows that it will increase, and yes, there is this overall influence, but we will have also dumps during the day. More than that, to have a complete view, hourly aspects are very important, and we do have quite a lot of Uranian aspects also hourly this week. Therefore, it will be in general very difficult to predict. But what can I tell you? And I would like to focus on the week in the mid on the 24th. We can see a local peak, which is Uranian in nature and could be significant during the day. Again, to time it with all others, it's outside the scope of this calendar. Then we do have the 26th, where we have another local peak, so bump. And interesting is, I checked for you the hourly aspect for the 27th, where we have some positive influences during the day, which could be pretty interesting, but nothing will last. Therefore, I would strongly advise, if you use it for swing trading of less than 1 week, so several days even, please be careful. Consider charts that are really short term, like 15 minutes, to know what you do. Or if you think it's risky, and yes it is, you can simply stay out as well for the days. So again, 27th, you don't see much in the calendar, but we do have some powerful influences, and again, they will not last. For East, it will be a smoother week, I would say, more positive in nature, as you can see, but again, it is correlated with BTC, so it will help in terms of recovery rather than increase when BTC decreases, in my opinion. And next week, just looking forward to it, we will have the super full moon in Pisces, which will be conjunct Saturn. This is bad. So we can really expect volatility downwards very strong, and this influence will be felt also the days before. And we will come up with more details on this in the next weekly video, and I would like to advise you to be careful these days, not to lose money, because money can be lost on the 25th. For example, if you don't exit, it's possible that the dumps during the day would be significant. Thank you again. Thank you so much for your attention, for liking and subscribing, and until next time, be joyful.